Hi, my name's Troy Jacobson, and I'm the head coach of the Jacobson Leadership Academy here in Tucson, Arizona, where we help leaders optimize their performance. In today's tip, I want to talk about developing your emotional intelligence, such a key component for any leader. IQ is one thing, and it's important, that cognitive ability, but that EQ is even more important in furthering your career and having an impact on your team. And one part of emotional intelligence that is so important is developing your self-awareness and understanding how to self-regulate or manage your emotions. The self-awareness piece is absolutely key. Knowing yourself better, knowing your triggers, knowing how you react to certain situations is just so important in order to be a more effective leader and lead your team more effectively. But the self-regulation piece is just as important. Again, understanding what your triggers are and how to manage those when they pop up. Taking care of yourself so that you know your physical state and how that might impact your emotional state. After all, if you're hungry or you're tired, that's going to make you feel differently and you're going to react because of that. So taking care of your physical state is really important. Yet another technique for self-regulation is understanding the story that you're telling yourself. What's going on? And is it really true? Maybe it's not. So a way to regulate your emotions is to think about things differently and to pause and reflect and then react. And most likely that reaction will be more appropriate. So self-awareness and self-regulation are two key components of leadership in that emotional intelligence realm. And if you develop those, then you will be a much more effective leader. If you have any questions about leadership and require workshops for you or your team or executive coaching, please reach out to me. Have a great day.